Bilal was a boy with a head full of hums and a heart full of hops. Every morning, he put on his bright blue backpack and his favorite knitted kufi. But Bilal had a secret. His mind liked to go on adventures before his feet even left the house. Today, he was busy watching his wooden spinning top whirl across the floor, dreaming of tiny galaxies. At the bus stop, the world was busy and loud. Yellow buses, blue buses, and green buses lined up like giant crayons. Bilal was supposed to look for the number 4 inches sign for school. But just as the buses pulled up, a shimmering blue dragonfly zipped past his nose. Bilal followed the dragonfly with his eyes, mesmerized by its sparkly wings. Beep, beep, went a horn. Without looking up from the dragonfly, Bilal skipped onto the steps of the bus right in front of him. He didn't notice that the sign on this bus didn't say school. It said Meadow Lane. He found a seat near the back and settled in, still humming a happy tune about dragonflies. As the bus rumbled along, Bilal decided to practice his drawing. He used his finger to trace invisible dinosaurs on the dusty window pane. He was so busy giving his T-Rex a scarf that he didn't notice the tall buildings of the city melting away. He was in his own little world, where dinosaurs and dragonflies played tag. Suddenly, the bus hit a small bump that made Bilal jump. He looked out the window and gasped. The tall shops were gone. The gray sidewalks were gone. Instead, there were rolling hills as green as emeralds and a sky as blue as a summer lake. "Oh my," Bilal whispered, his eyes growing very wide. The bus slowed down near a wooden fence. A large black and white cow stood right by the road, munching on a clump of clover. The cow looked at Bilal and gave a long, loud moo. Bilal realized he wasn't at school. He was in the middle of a farm, and the only students nearby had 4 legs and tails. Bilal stood up and walked to the front of the bus. The driver was a kind man named Mr. Idris, who wore a neatly trimmed beard and a friendly vest. "Excuse me, Mr. Idris," Bilal said bravely. "Is this the way to the elementary school?" Bilal felt a little bit silly for not paying attention. Mr. Idris let out a warm, belly-shaking laugh. "Ho ho, not unless the cows are taking math class today, Bilal," he said. He explained that Bilal had hopped on the country route by mistake. Mr. Idris wasn't mad. He thought it was a very funny adventure. He promised to help Bilal get back to where he needed to be. Mr. Idris stopped the bus at a safe corner where the return bus was waiting. As Bilal hopped off, he thanked the driver and waved. He walked along the flowery path toward the right stop, feeling the sun on his face. He wasn't worried anymore. He was smiling because he had seen a cow and a dragonfly all in one morning. Bilal finally made it to school, just a little bit late. He sat down at his desk and took out his notebook. At the very top of the page, he wrote a reminder in big, bold letters, "Always pay attention." Then, he drew a small picture of a cow wearing a kufi, just to remember his big scenic detour.